In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Then tap on All Services and scroll again to click on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Tap on a password you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Now click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!